Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're just going to do some live trade recording as I'm free for the full day. So the market has opened, perfectly taken support, especially the Nifty, Banknifty. We had a nice retest of 40,500, the previous day low, and we're trying to break out of this channel. And Nifty, as expected, dipped, and it's kind of recovering now on this 5-minute chart. So let's see if we can get some good entry here. We're going to be trading in this DHAN application today, and I'm going to be making a video on this soon. We have kind of broken out of this channel. Let's wait for a retest, and then I might enter on this 1 minute. We might come to retest this 20 EMA. That will be a good entry. If we don't get a retest, we might not get a good entry. Okay, Nifty is also pulling up now, which is good. Okay, that's beautiful. At least retest until the CPR should be possible on the 1 minute. We'll have to wait for that. In this DHAN app, they also have an option to log in directly with the trading view. I'll wait for the retest, guys. This was a nice breakout, but at least on this 1 minute, I'll wait for a retest. Will come. If it doesn't come, then we will take an entry even if it doesn't come, but it won't be a very good entry. But I do feel it'll come, so let's just wait. And the target would be the previous day high. So I'll be making a complete new video on this trading platform. You can even trade with TradingView. You also have their web application where you can trade, and there are a lot of really interesting features that will help us in our options trading, which I'll be discussing in the video. Sorry. We have got a crossover. Spiral channel is starting up. If we get a retest to the 20 MA or the CPR, we would like to enter. Let's go to watch list and also keep 900 call. I just moved a little bit of a capital into this application so that we can trade with this, because there are a lot of interesting features which I'll be telling in my video. See, even if we enter now, the stop loss will be this line, right? That is the CPR. So my aim is to take the CPR or this, whatever this channel line that we have drawn. My aim is to take a trade closer to this, because it will be closer to my stop loss. So that is why I'm waiting. A retest will come probably. If not a retest here, maybe the price can go a little bit up also and come to retest the 20 MA. So let's wait, no problem. I have the full day for trading today, that's why I thought I'll make a video, but not in a hurry to take a trade, definitely. Okay, if you see the open interest 41,000, we do have resistance, no doubt. Puts sorry. See, I shared mark few levels in 800 call if it works. When this VWAP broke, this was actually a good entry, 430. We were trading at 490. Okay, we have taken one position here, that is after this candle. So I kept watching. This was a good retest, and now we should get a minimum target of R1. But before that, let's see if anywhere we can take some resistance. 41,000, right about over here. 41,000, we could face some resistance about 100 points higher, but otherwise we should hit R1 at 41,120. Everything is looking good. Let's just see how Nifty is doing. So now we just have to wait. See, after seeing this candle, right, is what my decision for entry came. Now it's time to just go take a break, and I'll be back, but my screen will be recording. Okay, I'm back. The trade is going good. Even though I'm on a break, I'm constantly checking the trade on my iPad and my mobile. We just don't leave a naked option just like that. So there is weekly CPR. As I mentioned, we could take some resistance at 41,000, but another 120 points for R1 to hit. Let's see if that. Oh, this is good. I saw a low of 3 and a high of 28, but now it is 26. Okay. Let me see if I can log in to their trading view itself. The trading view app, not many places you can do that, where you can market, you can even take profit. A lot of nice features. If anybody wants to open, the link will be there in the description. You can please check it out. If anybody does tape reading, even that is there. I'm sorry. One of the features that I'll be explaining is first time we are seeing weekly and the daily CPR also given for free, and all premium features of TradingView is available. See, we are taking some resistance here. Let's see how are we doing with our profits. The profits are good for 10 lots. The VIX is also high. We should keep in mind the VIX is not coming down. Okay, the VIX is also 20. Oh, we already came 41,100. We just missed by 20 points. Okay, let's still wait. Not a problem. On 15 minutes, we have a beautiful candle. On 5 minutes, we have a beautiful candle. Nifty is also recovering, which is good. Our Nifty study was, this was a Banknifty study. Our Nifty study was this. But what I want to do is, I don't want to lose this profit. I'm already 4,000 down from the day's high. So this is a Bank Nifty chart. We are exactly taking distance here. Missed R1 by 20 points. So this is where we'll have to take a quick call whether we are going to square off or hold. Let's see how the open interest is playing out. Okay, open interest, even the, see, purple is put, yellow is yellow or orange, whatever it is, the call. Puts have also come in at 41,000, which is good change in OI, but still not significant enough. See, we also have the weekly CPR. Right now the chart is messy, but later on in my analysis video I'll mention about the weekly CPR. We have broken out of the weekly CPR, which could have acted as resistance, which is a good thing. So basically our study was like this, right? On a 15-minute chart, we have exactly come to our resistance zone. This is what I posted. Though we can expect a little bit of more up move, but we have to be careful here, because yesterday from here, from this level itself, where some aggressive selling came. Oh, my profits, profit. Profit is what we should keep a track of. 3 minutes we have got a nice inverted hammer. 5 minute. We might come to retest this 20 MA. See, there is a good chance that the market might come up a little and then fall again later on if the global market doesn't recover later on, means in the evening. We're not going to look for a short trade immediately. The US and the European futures are in red. Okay, we have started going up again. If we hit R1, we might exit our position. Or if we comfortably break this, we might even stay in the trade. Why to say no for more money? Nifty, beautiful recovery. A lot of people expected Nifty to crash. My view is Nifty might come down a little more, but some retracement will happen. That is what is happening. Okay, 100 and I think we hit R1. Yeah, yep. We have hit R1. There is a strong buying that is there, strong candles. So let's see if we break out of R1 or not. Maybe over here we might go a little sideways and then again break out. That will be a good trade. Now to get I'm using both the trading view and this to just check everything, but 30 is a nice whole number, right? So why to lose it? Let's exit this. 29, that's it. I saw 33, 30. That is what happens. Now this is our trade, one trade. Obviously we are going to attempt another trade later on, but right now, because let me get rid of this, we got a nice, whoa, we got a nice 1:7.25. okay, whatever. See, I don't keep seeing this ratios 1:2.5, 3.5, keep calculating it. Now for the video I'm putting it, but otherwise I just stick with my CPR levels. See, this was a study. We hit our first target. Now the second target is this. I don't think we will continuously break out and go. If it does, if this breakout comes, a retest, then I'll again enter with this as the target. Or on a lower time frame, we might make some correction here like this, consolidate and then break out, right? So either way, I'll look for a trade, or if we comfortably reverse from here, I'm ready to short as well. So we'll just have to wait and watch. We still have previous day high where the market can reverse, and on 1 minute we have got this nice parallel channel. A dip will come probably until 50 MA or 20 MA. So those are the other places where we can re-enter. If the audio is going to be bad in this video, I'm sorry, because I'm recording this live and I don't have the option to edit when you record it live. And I'll soon make a video on this DHAN app, which is pretty good. 10 lots, 499, sell price 699, about 500, mean 116 points, good enough. And right now it is trading at 15 points more than where we squared up, but that's okay, that's all part of the trading. We just focus on our levels, not the profits we missed or the loss that we took. So this was the entry, beautiful. I tried to take an entry here itself, but couldn't get it. 700 or 600 call, then waited for, this was a study, this is the most important, our study, based on a study, whether you have EMAs or whether you have CPR. We broke out and got a beautiful retest on one, as you can see, on 1 minute candle I entered. So now I'm going to wait for not just 1 or 2 hours, probably I'll wait until 12, another 2 hours. See, if this breaks out now within the next 15-20 minutes and goes higher, then it's a trade that I've missed. There's nothing I can do about it, right? But this is what my initial plan was. As I told in my analysis, this is the first target, this is the second target. Maybe consolidate here because previously we took resistance and then break out. That will be a good thing. If continuously, if it breaks out and goes, then that is something that I've missed. Nothing we can do about it. But if this level breaks, right, yeah, definitely the next target is 400. I don't mind entering if this breakout comes and then a retest to R1 or the previous day high. Sorry, then taking an entry. So we squared off at, see, we entered here at about, no, for options you should not have CPR. We entered here at about 499 and exited at around 616, and now it is another 50 points higher. Oh my god. But everything so far is going according to our plan, so we'll wait for that retest and see how things go on here. And then see, one thing, why the reasons for my quick, the VIX is about 20, it is high compared to all these days where we were around 19, 18, 17. The second thing is the open interest. If you see the option chain open interest, you have 41,000, lot of calls, some puts are coming in now. If you do see the change in open interest, so still there is calls present. It's not easy to break this type of call OI that is there. A lot of times the call sellers, all people who have sold here to protect, when they will not immediately add on to their position, when the market comes a little higher, then they will start aggressively shorting. So that's where the market can get pushed down. So I'm going to stop the recording now and let's see if we get another trade. Then if I'm taking it, I'll go ahead and start my recording. Thank you. Okay, I've logged into the trading view application itself, and there are a couple of really nice features. I'm going to be coming out with a video after I finish recording this video, obviously. See, these are the levels that I marked. There is a possibility we might hit 650. This is the 40,800 call chart. I wanted to buy somewhere closer to 380, but since the retest and confirmation came later on, we had to wait. But the first target is 650 and then 750. Let's see if 650 gets hit in first place. And in this, you can directly trade from the